What's up traders, welcome to Failure to Displace, where we're going to be utilising some ICT concepts to try and ensure that every day is a payday. In this video we're going to be looking at our Silver Bullet simplified process to see what opportunities were potentially available for us to extract some profits from the market. Today is June the 14th and we're going to be looking at the Silver Bullet setup in the New York session on the S&P 500. So let's get into it. First of all, we're going to mark out our session highs and lows on the 15-minute chart. So London has currently put the high of the day in. The low of the day is being put in by Asia. We can see for additional sell side, we have taken the previous day's high. We spent some time consolidating above that and have had a quick pullback into the London range, filling this fair value gap and then pulling higher. We can see from the London low to the New York low, we've got some really nice equal lows here. So that could give us some inclination of where we're going. So at the moment there's no clear direction. We're obviously very high. We've not got any liquidity to the left of us that's any higher for any recent price action. Today is also FOMC, so I'm definitely not going to be taking any live trades today. This is purely going to be on demo just to see how price action plays out. So my eyes are basically going to be looking for a sweep of either these equal lows or the high to give us an indication of where we're going to be going in the session. Let's jump into the 1 minute time frame and see what we get offered. So we can see price is consolidating, so we've taken out the high of the day now, so we're putting a new high in the Silver Bullet session. We're essentially going to be reverting now to the ICT 2022 mentorship model, looking for a break of structure with displacement to get me into a short position. So we're consolidating above the high at the moment, so it's not a clean rejection from the high. Still consolidating. Okay, so we had some nice equal highs put in here from buy side. So very short term, but we had equal highs here and we've just swept those highs now with this latest bullish candle. Let's remove that. See if we can get a break of structure down. So this is a nice break of structure down. So we've broken this swing low now. So we have our break of structure. See if we get some displacement. And we do. We've left a fair value gap. So this is a nice clean entry. We've got a breaker block here. So this candle is our breaker block. We've got a order block here and we've got a fair value gap as well. Now given this is quite a large fair value gap, I would want to enter on the breaker block. So we'll take a short position just at the bottom of the breaker block. We will do our standard 5 handles, so 5 handle take profit and a 5 handle stop loss. Let's see if we get tagged in. So nothing yet. We did leave another fair value gap. Okay, so we have just got tagged in. Deeper into this fair value gap. One thing I will highlight on the fair value gap is the 50% area. I like to monitor what's happening around the 50% region, see how well that's holding. So we're just kind of closing above the 50% at the moment. Rejection off the 50%. So we're hovering around that 50% in the fair value gap. Pull up out of the fair value gap now. So we'll be starting to get a bit worried here. We're into this last order block, so we've just tapped the last remaining bullish candle. Digging deeper into that. Oh, we've taken the high. Not great. We've not hit our stop loss yet, but very close. Really what we need now. So we have got a balanced price range here. And this developed, so that's good. A good signal. We really want this to break through this fair value gap and then again hold it as a resistance to drive us down. So let's just see what kind of displacement we'll get coming down. So we left another fair value gap there. Back into profit. Tapping that bearish fair value gap, rejecting. Got a bullish fair value gap here that's being respected at the moment. We've just closed in that fair value gap now, so really we want to see a nice big drive through this low to take us down to our take profit. Balanced price range up there. as a last resort. Not quite attacked it. Okay, so we're broken through here, so we would really want to see this drive down for the lows now, taking out this liquidity. It's kind of stalled again. Volume imbalance just here, look. So this little volume imbalance is where price has stopped perfectly, almost to the tick. Pulling back into drawdown, volume imbalance again. This doesn't look like great price action. A little bit concerned that we're not driving away here. Another balanced price range. So it's not all over and done with yet. Certainly not great price action, however. Tap the fair balanced price range. Close through the balanced price range. Pulling back higher, pulling back higher. So we can see this, we're basically stuck in a really tight consolidation. And that would be a loss. So the silver bullet setup today did not play out. Obviously we've ended the silver bullet hour here, I should have mentioned as well. So there's no opportunity to take a re-entry here. We never really got into profit. We had a couple of candles where it was attempting to get lower, but this volume imbalance really kind of messed us up. There was definitely no signal for me to get bullish on this because we'd taken out the daily highs, so it would have been a bearish bias on this. Also, if we were looking for longs, I mean, we never even got into a discount for the day if we go from this buy side that we looked at, so we never even threatened to come into a discount as well. So this, I think, is just one of those days where the silver bullet, as far as I can tell anyway, wouldn't play out. I don't think there was an opportunity to get long. I can't see any valid setup. So I hope that was useful. Not the best trade I've ever seen in the world. The setup was there, so I've got to be happy that we did take the setup and stuck to the plan. However, it resulted in a loss today. So hope you enjoyed the content. Please leave any comments down below if you've got any feedback on this one. If you're enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe. And share them to your friends if you think they'll find them useful. And I'll be back again tomorrow, hopefully with some cleaner price action for some more silver bullet reviews. Alright guys, thanks very much.